Our team needed a better solution for racking parts for powder coating, but the problem was commercial racks are really expensive. So we're going to show you how we did a little bit of CAD work and designed these really nice powder coating racks and built 2 of them for just a couple $100.
So here we do a lot of our own finishing work, from powder coating to Cerakoting and various other types of painting, and we just recently did a little bit of an upgrade on our powder coating rack. So here we have our older rack, and it was plenty serviceable for quite some time. We've got multiple different levels to it with removable slats, and they just bolt on with some wing nuts. It's a little bit restricted in how much you can do on it just because it's one single column, and you have to worry about parts bumping into these sidewalls here. So for our newer design, we switched to a much more convenient and configurable setup here. So we have multiple easily removable slats on these side beams. They can be positioned in any number of these grooves and spaced out accordingly for the size of parts that you're working with. I'm just about to do a big run of these Nanook brackets, and on the old one, I could have probably held about, at most, 8 of these Nanook brackets. On this one, I've been able to hold up to 16, so almost double the amount that I was able to hold on the previous rack. And since you don't have to worry about the edges here, I can have parts mounted much closer to the sidewalls and not worry about them hitting the beams. And I can move them around as needed. And yeah, it's been a really good upgrade and quite a simple design.
So Jonah came up with this design. So we drew it up in CAD and used our plasma cutter to cut these slat holders. These hold the slats that fit in here, so you can hang multiple parts and it's adjustable. So we cut those on the plasma, finished them up, and then I welded together this frame out of 16 gauge steel, and then we added cast iron casters to the bottom so they can withstand the heat of the powder coat oven without melting.
So as you can see, it just takes a little bit of iteration and some practice and using the racks for a while to come up with a really nice solution that you too can build for around $100 a rack. And most of that's in the casters, honestly. So if you like innovative solutions like this, learning how to build things, or need custom equipment for your lab or to prototype something that you've got in your mind, be sure to get a hold of us. All that information is down in the description. And thanks for watching.